So I just want us to listen to this video. But before then, let us start with a post from a man called Seer. Okay, Seer made a post, and in that post, he was so happy, and he said something about people who travel to Finland to meet PM one on one. According to him, he's so happy that Briggy have been to Finland, they traveled to Finland to meet PM, and it's an achievement. A lot is going on, to be honest with you. But let me just mention this thing because some people are kind of okay. So where will PM be if PM come out and well, that kind of thing. What will be the situation of things? Is PM going to do this or do that? PM is unaware of many things going on now. PM is not aware of many, in fact, almost everything going on now. Forget about people telling you that PM, they are talking to PM 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and all that. You may be talking to PM, but you can't compare that when PM balance the information. You may be feeding PM information, but you cannot compare it when PM comes out and seek evidence and reasons. Just like a man who married a woman, and that woman go outside and got pregnant without telling the husband outside her marriage, and the man don't know that why his wife is pregnant. It's something that if you know, it will bring problem between two of them. The man is not aware of it, and the woman come back home and she's still smiling and laughing and playing with the husband. With the husband showing her the same attitude that he normally showed to her, believing that all is well. He is not aware that the wife have already taken in for another man. You cannot compare that man's attitude when the whole thing begin, clear to him that look, my wife has gone outside and this is what she brought back home. That this child that she's carrying now is not my child. You cannot compare the same attitude. So everything is just like a pregnant woman to PM now. He's yet to have access to what is going on. They are celebrating that PM is on their side. That everything is now briggy. And I ask, is it the same PM? Is it the same PM that we all know, or another PM? Some of you that joined this platform newly may not have seen the video where I talked about when the US was, digging insult and bashing PM and all that, saying all manner of nonsense, believing that Mor0nic once he comes out, he's going to, do PM this or so, reject PM and say, oh, that kind of feeling. What did I say? I said that if Mor0nic comes out and say that PM, got it wrong, that we should have followed, everybody should have listened or followed US, then I will have something to say. But for now, let me pretend that Mor0nic is not aware of what is going on. You cannot judge a man's action when he don't know anything about what is going on to compare when he is aware of what has happened. Imagine what PM normally do. Just catch your man back. When two people begin to exchange words, against each other. How many of you remember when why is such an affair in France? The Isio oh when that thing no all gauge John will some of you that you said that some of you said that I'm a Fulani man, right? Okay. So in Igbo land, when that thing no on the John na-egwu osisi. Ọ ga na-atụ osisi so o wee John na wee gbuo osisi, create a hole na osisi. Ọ na-ashiri ike ọfụma iji wee gbuo osisi. Isi ya na isi wayo ọcha bụ the same. Isi ya na-abụ ndị a na-adị ka Chineke kichere were aka wee pịa ha n'elu isi na isi wee dịzie flat. If you know, you know. But that's not why we are here anyway. I'm just saying. These people, they don't understand that we still remember everything. There was a time Seer and Nwayi the wastage of word on social media. PM told anybody that is sending word that he don't want to see that again. He don't even call the name, but they already know themselves, and of course they begin to fall back. So falling back is not for them. They are not just start falling back to them. I'm not saying they should have disobeyed PM, but people that don't hesitate to insult and pick a fight, and they don't hesitate to say I am sorry. Then I suffer from indecision. You can people that don't know how to decide on what they want and stand by that. I don't like people like that. Like you can easily commit crime or create enmity, and you can easily say I am sorry. Then in next second, oh, I am no more sorry. I am no. You are not. You are not. I don't want to say a man because even why he's also a man, but you understand what I'm saying. Responsible people don't do that. It is better you calm down, study something before you venture into that, so that you know people will not see you as somebody who don't know what he or she wants. Because I remember when they were saying words and all that. Why am I saying this? They did not just start today. PM is not the kind of person that will see what's on otherwise have been saying. Eunice, Betty Ford, these are people that somehow strange people to PM because PM don't even know them. The one they call the Helen Peters, Ify, all these people that we are seeing now, all these mushrooms, they are all strange to PM. PM don't know them. But they always want to call, oh, my leader, my PM said, none of them have what it takes to coordinate themselves or to be that kind of what people want to see. But they are not telling you how what PM will do, what PM will not do, and all that. If PM comes out and after seeing everything, I'm not talking about seeing what CS will present to him. I'm saying, I'm not here to tell you to defend CS, but what Biafrans know, what they have seen, after seeing those things, and he felt that the best way is Ogenkere falling back and all that. Then I have something to say. That is me. Like I said the same thing during the time of Mor0nic. I made it clear. Because I remember those days, JS was looking for anybody that will be that will go to meet Mor0nic. Mor0nic welcomed everybody. All the Eastern governors and the Eastern politicians that have visited Mor0nic, he did not resist. Do you get the point? Instead, the only thing that they are checking is his security and people that are going to see him, what they are going to go there with. Not that I don't want to see he's not doing that. And the appointment, because I'm going to play a video of why he's Ocha in France, what she said. Guess who shared that video? One of those people that I told you that PM don't even know about, don't know them. This one called the Eunice BC. Eunice BC caught a video of 3 minutes of why he's Ocha in France and posted it. One thing about why he's Ocha in France is that why he's Ocha is just like expired product, expired milk. No matter what if you like, bring it to freezer. If you like, warm it is expired. People, this kind of woman is just in the village. You see some people that we, if a girl that people have high hope on that she will become somebody in the future, or to make her family proud. All of a sudden, you will have female pattern. If I say Kijoya, in Kechi, okay, with Kachapaya, despite that she's have you know, she's pregnant without any husband, without marriage. That shame that's supposed to be on her face, she will do everything to transfer it on your face without hesitating. If you think that she will see you and bend down, no. I saw what if you nke si not what you have and so what obasara gị or afọ ka na-eburu ya ọ na-ataka oge before you draw that anything. That's what why Ocha is doing now. She knows that she has a lot of nonsense around her. She have actually stained herself beyond the repair. I don't think that her children are social media, or maybe they don't understand the Igbo language, or maybe she blindfold them from watching anything what she's doing online. There is no way her family will be reading the comments coming from Biafrans or ration everywhere on her behalf and feel comfortable with what she's doing. Oh, ihe a ka nwoke ji edina na ya bụkwa ya ọmụrụ nwa na ya bụ ọmụrụ nwa na epekesa m ọtụtụ ime edota, because everything about her is shame. How can you put it? I mean, what is the best word to use if not shame? Now let us hear her, because Seer did not even say much. Seer just do what Seer normally do, jumping from Ebobono's reporter, pretending and believe, or trying hard to make you believe that that he has reputation. He's a very truthful person. How can you be truthful when you are changing every seconds? Do you get the point? How can you be truthful when you are changing every seconds? I don't want to do analysis or exposition on that on him. The reason is because somebody that don't have much to offer, starting from his past activities in homeland and everything, is questionable based on the character that he's exhibiting. But let us, I said I'm not going to talk about why Ocha again, but like I told you, that we'll be touching it little by little, isn't it? So don't tell me, oh, but you say you're not going to talk about Ocha. We are going to be talking about it, but not focusing our intention on that, because she claimed that she's shameless. Truly, she is. She's a shameless human being. But hear this, okay? Listen. Start from the beginning. You know what? As you are watching now, please like the video, because I forgot to let you know that, because some of you just watch and go. The best way to support is liking the video and super chat. Let me hear your comment. Even the last video that I posted, some of you don't put much comment about it. I was expecting comments to know what to think about what Fulanis Northerners said on the the activity of their boys all over Nigeria, especially Biafra land and Yoruba land, and even in Benin. But you never can tell. Maybe let me just upload this video, share it as well, comment, let me see, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. You are about to listen to why he's Ocha in France. The person who don't know what shame is all about, she has nothing. Like shame, never. Listen. On about USB government in Ocha with Ishibores. You have your head and your mouth aligned all together. Your mouth is bigger than your head. You open your mouth and say something that your brain cannot even comprehend. Your own brain, I'm not talking about people's brain. Your own brain don't even understand what your mouth is saying. That is why you are here or there. Every second you are jumping from pillar to pole. Inconsistency is dealing with you. You are just confused human being. And the funny part is that people who don't even, some people believe, especially those in Africa, believe that if you are in abroad or in Europe, you are sensible. Ọ bụ na a na-aga obodo maka amamife ma ọ ka mmadụ si wee reason why this woman ama gbogotewo Lagos, let alone abroad. I'm just saying. Listen.
madam here put today. Well, that na I be with Robbie.
On our watch, yeah, no one I can do get. The same people telling you that it is raining, that it has rained. Okay, the grammar this woman also here. I will look for that grammar again because I don't want to misquote her. That it has rained here. That's what she said, which I put in the first video we made today. But let's continue. You are when if you actually according to you fall back, but you are eyeing forward. You fall back, but you want to know what is happening in front. It doesn't work that way. I don't watch these people. I only receive messages from people. Why? Because maybe some people want you to see that or comment on that, which is okay. But not everything that you say to me, I'm going to comment. I have to select the one I need to select. This video you are seeing here now, I receive it from somebody, but before receiving that, I've seen that post from Eunice BC, Eunice BP. So I don't know what that means, but you know her anyway. Let's continue.
She's on the web because I am day. Well, that na I be like with Robbie. She's on the web because I like it. When I'm undo to the surrogate woman, will I confirm more that na manzi mama de abo and honorable lobby to the Finland. I confirm one ya or confirm na to the Finland. No, the governor Jeva Batobieno. Where Finland? The surrogate woman, Sinifene Young.
The world must listen. So that you can come up your.
The surrogate woman. DPA. Well, I see that na my mother I don't want to be in the Finland. It's a lot of be away. Water nani. The man did the onion million what you have watched? Oh, number one, on a vagina, one of propaganda. No, but no, but don't be a was in Fanani. However, you fell away now. I hate job. So, no, no one or here. Where's that? Thank you. I eventually I went to go here. And don't be put on a manangole. Come on, I say, look, I actually came on and say, Kim, my dear, honorable lobbies, you were just 4 by 2 year born. When you neighbor but to be don't know, yeah, one of the no opinion of Finland without information, without appointment, without nothing. Why take it away to talk but to be able no? Wait to tell you about to be when on 40 minutes, it was 45 minutes. But now, 45 minutes. So, because I'll be as near now 45, either 40 or 45 minutes. Where possess with his shell, with insult. Dear friends, Odogu Nanye Bobatobieno. Uno can eat the name my Bobatobia on Oputa.
Now, you listen to her, right? So, what did she say now that will make their fans to know about Batobian? You said that they went to saw Batobian. CS, according to you, because I have not paid attention to that part of the video from CS. CS told you, according to you, that you said you listened to CS during this fundraising, that they went home with shame. So, because you are a shameless woman, when shame is being discussed, you got confused. If they went home with shame, like CS said, which you do not say is a lie here, you have not debunked it, but you want them to understand where Obatobe. So Obatobe giving, disgracing someone means that Obatobe is with the person. Because if I thought you have sense in this your issue, you should have debunked it first. No, it's a lie, yo. You know your normal tone now. Oh, it's a lie, yo. Oh no, hey, ndị mama jana. Oh, gịnị? Hey. Ngozora bụ Fulani na ndị sabo. If I'm a kid good now. Iti mkpu. Among iti mkpu. Among case where small word this woman out. Because if he do good na be iti mkpu. Maybe na on the okona one village, maybe no webe okona ba na Africa. Itie mkpu ndị mmadụ agbata ọsọ ya ka etinye ya bụ ọkụ ọnụ ga-abụ ọnụ eji akpọgwụ ụlọ obodo ha bịa n'ife ike eme ma igwe wụọ in these olden days, like some of you are seeing that in Nigerian movie, right? Onye a na-etinye mkpu kpọkọ ụlọ obodo ajọ ọgị na-eme sọpụrụ a na-edigide mmadụ dịka gị ekwe obodo ekwe because onwe ka o si wee dị mkpu gị ahụ itie ya n'ụda ha achọ odo na nzujeche gị kacha n'ahụ ị na-akpagharị na vidio only for because ọnụ gị aka ndị dị but ị na-ịchọ ibute onu akịta bịazi na you forgot that there's a lot of technology now. That's what is called public address system. They can use that to announce anything. Ọ bụrụ onu gị anọ na cake level, you should have utilized it if at all maybe not watch ya ka ịbịa mana wakịta mba. Now you refuse to tell Biafrans what makes you think that Obato is with them? You want people to believe it, you want people to accept it. But like I said, everything is step by step. This is not me telling you that Obato is against them or is in support of them. But we always stand on the side of the truth. I'm not here to tell you that Obato is for us, is for him, is for them, is for we. No. It is all about setting the record straight. If you say that what Seer said is a lie, you should have also debunked it first before. Although you claim that you're going to come live tomorrow according to you, which is irrelevant, what are you saying? Those watching you are those who want to see how foolish you can sound. Do you understand? Now, let us go back to her video.
Odogwu n'anya na ọ bụ ngozi ala bụ gworo Fulani awụ na a shameless woman. No fail go wofi. Nyana Sab0'ur group ye. Odogwu n'anya.
Funny enough, calling Biafran Sab0'ur, last time I checked, apart from DOS and Ejiofor, former law of Master Mordecai, PM have not called any other person. So even PM did not call Gaddafi Sab0'ur publicly, but PM called you. Sab0'ur not only call you Sab0'ur, expel you, give you not expel, but suspend you, okay, for some time. You serve that hiding with that you usually don't go for. We took all over. We did not hear that. A Sab0'ur like you, because we always call for Sab0'ur, you are the rest Sab0'ur. People like you calm down, penetrate like kerosene. Kerosene. Ona amosa. Na amabayewe until bata no nebi fini gan we strike. Yeah, now you are striking. But the truth is that you are striking at the wrong direction because PM. Some of you think that people are babies, children. Yeah, that's what you think that. Oh, once PM come now, everybody will be, oh, PM. No. If you think that, like me, what I said here, play it to PM. I'm not saying it because PM is not here. Unlike you, that is contacting men on ground, dishing out lies like fires. Let me say this. Do you actually believe that PM will watch your video and be proud of you? I mean, watch the video when you talked about Ogenkere. Then watch your video when you are now talking against USB. Then he would like to know why you changed. What makes you change? These are things that PM will focus on you. Even if PM accept Ogenkere today, your own will be the height of it, because you don't deserve to be in a WhatsApp group where freedom are being discussed. The level of mentality and the stupidity that you are sharing, you don't deserve to be in anywhere decency is to be is expected to be. You don't deserve it. You are one of the worst things that happened to Biafran freedom. This one, you are one of the worst. Starting from the time of Master Kanu did not face a woman who is more than snake, because I was told that you said you are Nibe Koba and all that. I'm not doubting, because everything about you is that, but you are actually more than that. You are very, very deadly, very, very deadly. Imagine what you are doing without education. Okay, mana Chineke na-ama efi ga-akpa ike na mbido n'oge wee kọtụwa ya mkpu. Mpi ga niile Chineke jijiwa wee. Ima, some people can foot away from like what you look at yourself, you say, why am I in this condition? Why am I in this level? Sometimes because God has seen what you can do. If you actually have that thing that you would desire to have, you will do and undo. And I will leave it there. This is not to attack your achievement in life or anything, no. But I believe that Biafrans or anybody that has some sense in them will understand what I just said now.
That Nangoza Labugolo Fulani solo get woman emepego group nke. Orogo Nanya. Somebody asked her a question today.
The same thing that DOS was saying. That Simon Ekpa, don't use Master Kanu speech and name again. You have opened your group. Simon Ekpa and the group Neke. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a supporter of Seer to create her own group. And I don't think that she actually have that in mind. Okay? But the truth is that if Master Kanu comes out and said that Simon Ekpa, everything I've done, everything he did before they called him, that he's his problem. It simply means that he don't really want, Master Kanu is not for Biafra truly. That is my own definition. If Mark Wilson's PM, Simon Ekpa come out now and said that people should have fall back with Ogenkere and start with Ogenkere, with all the things they have said, and with all that they have done, and all the lies, it simply means that Simon Ekpa is not for Biafra. Because this is my own personal opinion. I'm not telling you to follow me what I'm saying. This is my own little analysis. And I stand on that. Because there's no way, in every honesty, you cannot tell me that somebody actually want to achieve Biafra with lies. Is unheard of. Even if I remove the name of Biafra, nobody will achieve something that magnitude, freedom, no matter the name you choose to answer. Nobody will fight for freedom or have freedom with that level of lies of Ogenkere and above. Forget about the account they hijacked, forget about all that press they have done. Only that lies alone is a no for me. One of the reasons why I don't see DOS as anything for freedom is because of lie. Things that you're supposed to, that doesn't mean anything if you reveal it. They'll hide it and lie about it and pretend about it. All they want is donate money, monthly donation. Who are you talking to? That's what we are seeing now from Ogenkere. So anybody coming back to tell us, like this woman here, that in the space of few months, she has tested fire and water. You can't hold this woman for anything serious. And if PM come out and say that Ogenkere got it wrong, that's or maybe he said that all of you got it wrong. Now I want to let's strategize. This is how it will be. And if he dare include this one again, I don't see it as something achievable. I will be one of the person. I won't be alone. I'll be one of the person that will call her out and call him out to let her go. She need to leave. I prefer Obinkere than this woman. You may not understand what I'm saying. I prefer Chiamaka Jere than this woman. I prefer Sana Karawa, even with all the lies than this. This is the kind of person that will buy you. Oh yeah. You may think that she's just talking. Yes, she's just talking truly, but if you keep nursing, nobody buy little python and feed it as a pet, domestic animal. You don't do that. Once that python grows to a certain level, it will be that python will begin to measure your length to see how easy that python can swallow you. Do you understand what I mean? Now let's continue.
wee jụọ onye sị ya na ọhụrụ na walida maazị Nnamdi ga-anọpụta ya na ọbata obie na onyenyekwa fa ọnọdụ o wee sị ya dat na walida is a walida na ọhụrụ na ọpụta na walida ka ọhụ na ọbata obie is our prime minister. That now our prime minister call. But if you're not cheap, if this woman is very stupid.
If just listen, because let me not even cut her off. Let her land. If brain I make open and make sense, oh yeah.
The question I judge the other
Also kapadia.
Bingos. Neso yente. Me aria insinda adron intelligent. Unwe funi eni neso this woman.
Intelligent gini nebo how to contact men on ground. That's intelligence. That's what we call intelligent. Criminality is what we consider as intelligence. Now listen.
Bingos, all of them. But if you know only one government.
Only one government.
Only one government.
Which people like you don't want. You want multiple governments. So that Oyenka call Ibaba Naikia. Oyenka Jidegi Ibaba Naikia. One government, none of you like it. That's just the gospel truth. None of you. You see all those people that very eager to commit crime and apologize. They hate it. They want to have different options on the table. So that I know you want multiple options because you want to be jumping from. It is your DNA to jump, to fall back. You have been falling back all this while. But is it because this one is somehow in public that people eyes on that? No. Anybody that knows them all this while, you know that they are good in falling back. People that say Madam Azoka is the best, fall back. They say that DOS. Let me not go there. I wanted to move forward. Let me not get there. Excuse. Just continue.
So I'm not getting that. All the money that wanted a massive Nandi can put that. One government and I wanted a massive Nandi was to obey the government and the constitution of the government. No, if I'm going to base on a government, what I call you, and the sentinel with our.
Again. I don't want her to finish what she wanted to say. But you get the point. All of them shouting our leader, where were you? Before they kidnapped Mazam Namakan, how many of you know Adadaram? 2020. Do you know Adadaram? The answer is no, nobody. Unless those who happen to have issues, maybe have something to do with her, those not in Biafran movement. Nobody knows on social media. So our leader Master, how sure are you? How sure are you that you people that are watching? How sure are you that this woman was a support of Master Malakan then? Because she joined after the kidnap of Master Malakan, meaning that she could be one of those people who don't like Master Malakan. All of them that hated Master Malakan, they are now our leader. Eunice Bibi, few months ago, was telling us that Master Malakan Master Nwayi is and then they were two tapping in ship on the video they post so you want me reading a tweet here, nor here on this channel. Few months ago, immediately the arrest of PM, he become her leader. Ozugbo, turn to her leader. Helen Peters, Ify, all of them that are Ogenkere used now that in the team, and so they will still tell you that this is structure that PM will give to them. PM don't even know them. And though some of them are enemy of PM also. The same thing why you social France. Are you seeing Mazen Kano as your leader as of 2020? That's no. He became your leader after his kidnap. Maybe you have seen that a lot of people are saying nothing about him, that somehow you are now shy, or not shy, you are afraid because there's nothing like shame in you. You became afraid of defending that thing that you normally defended before because you felt that Biafra maybe you can like people may forget their hand on your cheek. You understand? So you don't want it. You started calling high Malay. All of them, the same people. Ask yourself, those people that were calling person Gano, a criminal, a warmonger, or a lot of names, then where are they? All of them, where are they now? They announced Mazagana our leader. All of them doing. Before, if you see those people that are calling him leader, then happen to be the enemy. They hated you so much. You understand what I'm saying? The same thing with this woman here. And because Seer said they will not one government. What that means is that no matter the faction you are creating, you end up having a government, one government. She did not tell you that she's going to take it. The same question they're asking now, DOS was asking that to PM few years ago. And then if someone can make it up, Mazan can protect them, no group will fear of unknown, because they think that everybody is like them. It's about power. Wait until she begin to drag power with them, then you cannot say something. And mind you, what you are saying now, that no group, meaning you are validating DOS, when they say the PM formed his own group, you are validating that to be the normal thing to do. Well, I don't make a good this woman because the bicycle. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time and like the video. Tell me what you think about it. I just noticed that the video is getting too long. So let us end it here. God bless you and please subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now.